Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing some burps, and later tonight I'm gonna doing a 2DS review. I'm sorry about that one. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and goodbye.